Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. So this client got y'all, I had to just give credit to this client. She came in with her hair the right way that us stylists really would want y'all to come in. She came in, but she came in with a blowout. I'm like, dang, should I shampoo her? You know, give her treatments or anything because she already looked like she had a nice blowout, scalp look clean, all that good stuff. But I'm not saying that your hair should be perfect when you come in the salon. Our thing is we can tell when you've been putting effort into your own hair. At least you know the basics. You don't have to be perfect. That's what we're here for. We're not perfect, but that's what we're here to, show our personal point of view, our professional point of view for your hair. But at least do the basics. Shampoo your hair when you're supposed to make sure your scalp is clean and not building up any types of fungus or anything. And yes, y'all, people do build fungus. Yes. And yeah, cause it's been times with clients I had scalp smelled like mildew, and I hate to, I'm not gonna expose anybody, but yeah, I done had clients where it smelled like mildew, and you put them you 3 to 4 shampoos, and the smell is still in there because that's been sitting in the scalp for so long. So we can't fix that overnight. Or in one service. We can't fix that in one service. So y'all have to do your part before you come in the salon. And then too, with moisture, we could tell, that's gonna help make those strands smooth when we silk pressing it out. It's gonna make the silk even more better. So when you doing your part as the client, man, when we touch your hair, it's gonna be even to the next level. It's not us just doing your hair, it's a team effort. We make it better. So I just had to give credit where it was due to her. Man, she came in, the hair was looking right. I said, yup. I told her before she left, I said, man, you came in right. Hair looked amazing. And also, when you take care of your hair and do your part, as your personal part, I tell my clients, when you do your homework, that's what I call it. When we give you advice and steps and guidance on how to take care of your hair, I call it when you do your homework. So when you come back to the salon, we should both be on the same page, and it makes the service go by faster, quicker. We'll have you in and out of there because you've done your part, and we don't have to take extra steps of trying to fix and bend things that should have been already fixed at the house. So I just wanted to do that, give credit where it's due. And of course, if certain clients have any personal situations to where they are unable to take care of their hair, or something happened personally in their life that prevented them from, those situations, we personally, we get it, we understand, we know that's what we're here for. We'll fix it, we'll shake you back, bring you back to life. But for the ones that know that they can take care of their hair and do what they supposed to do, as far as at home care, you have to do that. But like I said, once again, for the ones that are going through personal issues, personal things that's preventing them from caring for their hair, of course we will understand, and we can tell when life didn't hit them or something has happened. So I just wanted to establish that, so clarify that situation. Okay, so comment below if you had any personal situations, or any stylists that can give any advice on clients at home, or people at home that's struggling with that, and you know, their point of view of it. So I just wanted to kind of just, I know this out the blue, but I just wanted to kind of bring it. And I also wanted to give credit to this lady, this client that I did, like every now and then, we good chunk of time we want to give props to those types of clients that really do put their effort at home. We want to let y'all know we celebrate you. We see your hard work, we see your work, your at home work. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.